Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 2 of the Lana quest, as well as getting the Nurse Julie set. I already have it on, but first, I usually go to the left because it's the closest to me. It is the cafeteria, and there's the symbol and the map. So if I go to the cafeteria, the map is on my left. I'm just going to get that. And the symbol is on my right here, like so. Then before going upstairs, I go to the third room here to get the map. If you start from the base, you just go to the right and you go 3 doors down to the third room. Then you're going to go up these stairs and there will be another symbol behind the sofa over here, and you're just going to interact with it. Then I'm going to go to the middle here. There is a storage room and there will be a map piece on the shelves. And you're just going to, again, interact with that. I died, so I just went back upstairs, and in front of room 28, which is here, there will be like a bed frame and the symbol will be there. So you're just going to interact with it. That's the last symbol. And I just went in this room and there will be a map piece underneath these boxes. So I just grabbed that. Then I went outside and to the right there will be a bathroom. You're just going to go in there and there will be a map. I just took a little detour. I wanted to know what's in this room. But in the stalls, okay, in the stalls to the farthest one, there will be a map piece. So I didn't know, but the key's actually on the sink, but it could be anywhere because it's random. It could be on the reception desk, like here, in the toilet, I think Nurse Julie's office, and then there could be one in the recreational room in here. But it was in the bathroom. I know I'm in a different outfit, but I'm just showing you guys where to go when you found the key. You're just going to go from the base to the right side, and you're just going to enter this room. Once it's open, you're going to go to the furthest room. This is just me. This is the first time I actually was doing the quest. But basically, you're going to go to the room here in a few seconds. You're going to see where I'm going. To this door, and then you're going to go to the room to the furthest one, this one here, and you'll find the Nurse Julie set. But I'm not done with the video because we still need one more of the map pieces. Head to the room upstairs and there will be an office here. I think it's to the right side. And then you'll be able to find the last map piece. Then you are going to run to the red door. There will be a red door here, as you can see. I think I died here trying to get to the red door. It's annoying because she's everywhere. You're just going to want to open it, and then there will be a scene where you have to run. I'll show it to you guys in a few seconds. In this part, you just need to follow the red trail and kind of run. Basically, there will be a head start, so if you get stuck, don't freak out because you still have time to kind of move around a little bit. As you can see, I got caught in some places, but she still hasn't gotten to me yet. So just follow the red trail and press shift. I don't know what it is on your phone. I don't really play on my phone because I feel like I would just lose all the time. I'm just bad at it. Anyways, just follow the red trail and press shift and just run and just go right and left. Make sure you jump in places where you'll need to jump, like here. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.